scale.
Yeah, look at that. We got a bite. It probably swiped at it.
Yeah.
And it bit the tail, and you got a scale on it.
Yeah, and there's a little bite mark right there.
Oh, cool. So we got a bite. No way, Joe. Hey, everybody. It's me, Tivsa. I'm going fishing with Joe. Joe is absolutely burning up. I've caught 49 species. You know what time it is? Time for 50! The fish of Wisconsin, the muskellunge. We got my boat all hooked up, ready to go. I don't think we're gonna catch one on the first try, but you know, I'm gonna document this. We're gonna show each trip because if it's really the fish of 10,000 casts, I've got a lot of casting to do. I would be absolutely ecstatic if we caught one. I don't know who's more excited about this, myself or Joe, but you know, what are you gonna do? Wish us luck. We gotta try, right? That's what this is all about. Let's do it! Stopper, I'm gonna get wet. Woo! Woo! Joey, oh! No, the water's cold. There you go, just grab that rope. Oh, this is perfect. We can take our time. All right. Okay, you're good. I'm gonna go park, okay? We're here, people! We're here. I gotta tell the attendant what boat spot I took. And I'm so glad that I got on here real quick because it's filling up. There's almost no spots left. I'll tell her right when she gets here. Okay. I'm 29.
Perfect, thank you.
Yeah, bye now. Joey is ready to go. Alright, I gotta get this stuff in. Joey, oh, get that white one.
Where's the white one?
Here, you film this. Holy cow, you gotta be kidding me. Oh my God, I don't know. Holy cow, Joey, we saw a muskie?
We saw a giant one.
Jeez.
Already.
Holy cow.
Watch this. If he follows.
That was nutty. Already?
I
You
know.
gotta be kidding me.
Yeah. That was huge. But there's your white bait.
Whoa. Are you kidding me?
That was so scary.
Oh my God. You don't want to try and catch it, Joe?
That was massive.
You get big. Oh wow. Wow, that was big.
Oh, God.
You got scared?
Yeah, I didn't want to catch it. It was gonna pull me in.
It won't pull you in.
It's either gonna snap my line or pull me in. Look, I'm shaking.
Alright, so there's Joe. He wanted to go muskie fishing. Tell him what's happened so far.
They're giving me heart attacks.
Yeah, so Joey spotted one right away, following his bulldog. Show him your bait. I think that's what it's called, a bulldog.
Yeah.
And it was big. I mean, real big. And Joey didn't want to catch it. He said, here, take the rod, Dad. So they're here. We've actually spotted 3 fish. Now, they could be big pike, but we've spotted 3 fish. 2 times they followed us. One time we just floated by one. So they're here. Yeah, we probably should go back to where we saw that one. That seems like a good spot, but I don't know. We'll just float around for a little bit. This is crazy. This is fun. I get it. I totally get musky fishing now because to see a big fish following your bait like that, if you have heart problems, don't go musky fishing. It's probably not good because, yeah, you gotta is if it's your first time, you know, make sure you go out for a run or something. Yeah, work your heart a little bit. Test it before you come out. Maybe go see a doctor before you go wet muskie fishing. Well, that was a wasted cast. That stunk, but I guess I'll try this then. I know, right? Buddy, making it happen.
Trying.
Yeah, look at that. We got a bite. It probably swiped at it.
Yeah.
And it bit the tail, and you got a scale on it.
Yeah, and there's a little bite mark right there.
Oh, cool. So we got a bite. No way, Joe. Look at our spot by the beautiful sculpture. That's cool. That's where you come into the lake on Oconomowoc Lake. That's actually what you drive by. It's really cool looking. So I don't know if we're gonna catch any today. We're actually gonna go back up the river to get the fam. The whole fam's coming out. We're probably gonna stop fishing when that happens. But if you ever come to the Oconomowoc Lake, it's really clear water. It's really pretty. That makes fishing for muskie probably pretty exciting because you can see them. I don't know if it's a good or bad lake for muskies. I just know that they're in here. I don't know if they bite very often. The other thing is, it's a little bit dicey getting up the river. I'm not the best boat driver, so I gotta be careful when I'm doing that. And I gotta go up there again because that's where the fam is for me to pick them up. So, whew. We found a big dead fish on the bottom right there. Joy's trying to jig it up so you can see what it is.
I can't get it.
Our first muskie fishing trip was not putting fish in the boat, but I call it a success because we saw some muskie, which is really cool.
3?
Yeah, 3 or 4. On the way, we caught my whole family. They're all in the boat now. But now we're just joyriding on Oconomowoc Lake. Alright, thanks for watching. Species 50, not today.